What is asset management? Hello friend, welcome to the first lesson. Every day you go to work and we decided to spend some minutes daily on the way learning about asset management. Today we'll start it from the basics. What is asset management? Why is it important? And how is it different from maintenance and repairs? Let's begin very simply and clearly. First, what do we mean by asset? In everyday conversation, when we say asset, most people think of money or a bank account. But in an organization, especially in water and wastewater sector, asset is much broader. Anything that creates value for the organization is an asset. Pipelines, pumps, tanks, buildings, software, data, even the experience and knowledge of employees. These are all assets because they help the organization do its works and achieve its goals. Official definition: ISO 55000 says asset management is the coordinated activity of an organization to realize value from assets. What does this mean? It means the organization shouldn't just perform repairs, it should operate in a way that assets truly create value for customers, the community, stakeholders, and the organization itself. How is asset management different from maintenance and repairs? Many things asset management is the same as maintenance. No, it's not. Maintenance and repairs are only a small part. Asset management starts from an asset is designed until it's retired. This process is called the asset lifecycle. Design, procurement, construction, operation, maintenance, and finally decommissioning or recycling. All these stages must be managed. How is asset management different from maintenance and repairs? Many things asset management is the same as maintenance. No, it's not. Maintenance and repairs are only a small part. Asset management starts from an asset is designed until it's retired. This process is called the asset lifecycle. Design, procurement, construction, operation, maintenance, and finally decommissioning or recycling. All these stages must be managed. A short history. Why this arise? In the 1980s, after major industrial accidents like the Piper oil disaster, organizations realized they shouldn't just react. In the UK, a framework called Past 55 was developed, which later became the international reference for asset management. Later, the International Organization for Standardization, ISO, published the ISO 55000 series, which is now the global standards in this field. The Institute of Asset Management, IAM, also published the Anatomy of Asset Management. Why is asset management important for organizations? Here's some main reasons. Cost reduction. A life cycle approach optimizes the total cost of ownership, reducing and making maintenance and replacement costs more predictable. Risk control. Proper planning reduces the risk of failures, service outages, and safety hazards. Service stability. Water provider. It's crucial people always have safe water. Asset management helps maintain this continuity. Sustainability and regulatory compliance. Good asset management simplifies environmental and regulatory adherence, discovering hidden values. Some asset or data can create more value with better management, like using SCADA data to predict failures. A simple analogy: the human body. Think of your body. If you only go to doctor when you are sick and then treat the illness, life will be harder. But if you follow a healthy diet, exercise, have regular checkups, and prevent problems, your health improves and the total cost decreases. Asset management is the same, preventive and holistic, not just reactive. A practical application in a water network. Consider a treatment plant. If we just wait for pumps and equipment to break and then fix them, the emergency costs and downtime will be high. But with asset management, based on data, we understand each pump's life cycle, when preventive maintenance is needed, what spare parts should always be available, and when replacement is absolutely necessary. This planning prevents major costs and maintains service quality. Now, a few key points we will focus on in future lessons. Value. What does value mean? It can be economic, social, or environmental. The organization must clarify which type of value matters to it. Line of sight. Operational activities must align with strategic organizational goals. Everyone should understand how their work contributes to the big picture. Leadership. Asset management requires commitment from senior management. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to get notified when new lessons comes out.